In this video tutorial, I'm going to simply show you how to download TikTok videos. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So the first step you need to take is to go to your TikTok app like this. So if this is the first time you're coming across this channel, do always hit the subscribe button. It's really going to help us. So right here is my TikTok app and this is the home page. So in your TikTok app like this, the first step you need to take is to click on the share button. You can see the share button on this video right here. Just need to go to the video you want to download and click on the share button. Right here, you're going to see the option of download at the bottom of the screen. So you need to go ahead and click on it like this, and it's going to start downloading. So once it is done downloading, you'll be able to see it on your phone gallery. So this is how simple it is to download TikTok videos. Hope you found this video helpful. Now hit the like button, subscribe and hit the notification bell. It's really going to help you. See you in the next one.